Hi everyone, Kevin from My Philippine American Adventure coming to you. What's the date today? January 20th, 2023. Just wanted to show you the new look of my RV since we got some new furniture in here. We got a couch here, a love seat there with some TV trays we use quite a bit. Fitz has a study station here for his home school, so that's where he does his school work. Rowella has a few plants here she's trying to nurse along. Had to buy a new refrigerator. I'll tell you about that in a little while. Something happened last year that made me have to buy a new fridge. I put my TV up here on a wall mount so we don't have to use, this place, or this place for the TV. The TV is now hanging on the wall there. My computer is in behind that curtain thing there. Yeah, I like the new look of our trailer. It looks nice. Of course, you got the table here, little electric oven there, stove there. We do heat by electric heaters most of the time because we are not paying for our electric here at this RV park. We do not have to pay for electric, so we got electric heater out here. And then you come into the bedroom here. Got another electric heater here. Today I bought a wall mount for our TV in the bedroom. Used to have the TV here on the dresser, but we decided to buy some extra storage for clothes, put up here since we don't really use that window behind here anyway. So all of our closet or our dressers are up here now. And then we got the TV hanging from the wall. Then come into the bathroom here. Had some minor maintenance work done here on the bathroom. The floor was rotten right here. Right here had a big sunken hole. So I had an RV tech guy come and he fixed the soft spongy part and then laid some new linoleum down. I kind of like that linoleum. It's kind of nice, different from what it used to be. Then we have a washing machine here. Doesn't dry, it spin dries, and then we just hang the clothes up here on the racks. And we also have one out here in the living room as well, so we can hang clothes to dry them and then she will iron them. Anyway, last year, June, had several things go out last year. A month after the warranty expired, my air conditioner went out a month after the warranty expired, and my hot water heater went out. I'll go outside here, talk to you guys outside. Hot water heater went out. So for 2 months, June, July, actually 3, August, I was without an air conditioner here in the desert, and it was very hot. I was going to say cold. It was very hot. No hot water, which I didn't really need for a shower because it was already hot coming out of the spigot in the shower. So yeah, took out my air conditioner, my water heater. When my water heater went out, I finally found out from my RV tech that the converter got shorted out when the hot water heater tank broke. All the water went into the converter, blew the converter out. So he replaced the converter, and the refrigerator wasn't working all that great this last summer. So I bought the other one. It's just a small, I guess I can go and show you. just a cheaper one. Just got it at Walmart. Has a good size freezer. And then it's got the regular down here. And then we also got this one that came with the trailer there. But anyway, we got extra space for refrigerated and freezer items. Then let's see, we moved here in August. About 3 months ago, we were all getting ready to go back to my work because they were going to ride with me in the park. About 10 minutes before we were going to leave, the wind kicked up, tore off my awning here. As you can see, no awning right there. It flipped up on the roof. I had to climb up on the back, put it down, then I just cut it off because it was just dangling, broke, shredded. So I ended up taking the scissors and just cutting the awning off there, and it tore up this awning here over the slide out. As you can see, the RV tech guy is supposed to be coming hopefully this next week to replace the awning. So quite a bit has happened in the last year and a half. Roella, we're cooking pork chops and hamburgers here on the grill. A little chilly here right now. It's probably about 42 degrees. You can see Pine Valley has the snow over there. Fitz is playing with a neighbor kid. We're gonna be moving our spot soon. Gonna move to the inn spot in another month and a half. I washed the windows of the trailer a few weeks ago. We got some rain and just messed it all up anyway. But anyway, yeah, just a little to let you know about what's been going on here. I bought a 12-ton jack so I can replace these tires here instead of calling road service and having them come out and doing all that. I'm just going to jack it up, take one tire off, take it in, get fixed, get it replaced, put it back on, take the next one off until I got all 4 new tires fixed or replaced, because they're starting to crack with weather wear from the heat. Nice blue sky here you can see today. It's pretty nice here today. And then over here I'll have to replace these slide out strips here to keep the weather out. They kind of got a little bit weather beaten in the heat, so I need to replace all of those. 6 of those, I think. 2, 4, 6, yeah, got to replace 6 of those. Still doing us good for what we need it for. Anyway, that's a little update of what happened to our trailer over the last year and a half. Our neighbors over here have a German Shepherd puppy. I'm trying to train the puppy a little bit for him. It's a little rambunctious, so I'm working with the puppy for a little bit. We're gonna have the dog for about 5 days. They got to take a trip, so we'll be dog sitting for about 5 days. But I just wanted to give you an update of what's been happening with the trailer. The extra refrigerator, new air conditioner, new hot water heater, new converter, new couch and love seat. Fitz sleeps here. It folds down into a bed. He likes it. So, oh, she's got some plants here. So I guess this video has gone on long enough, so I will let you guys go. I'm gonna go help her with the food out here. So just want to say thank you for you guys sticking around. Soon we're gonna sit down here and do a one-on-one video of our relationship, so you guys can kind of get an idea of how it started, where it started, and whatever. So anyway, I'll let you guys go. You guys have a great day, a great week coming up, and we'll be talking to you guys real soon. Thanks for watching. Click the like button if you like it, If you don't like it, you can always click the thumbs down. I mean, it's your choice. I'm not gonna dislike you just because you gave me a thumbs down on my video. All right, you guys take care, and we will talk to you real soon. Bye now. All right, I'm back. Just wanted to show you some of our barbecue. Got the hamburgers with 1 pork chop. So the hamburgers are there, and the pork chop. She's cooking the other 3 pork chops still because they're a little bigger, so we didn't have the room to cook them all. So she's cooking a few more out there. Just a little quick peek at what we'll be eating. Thanks, guys.